Okay, so on a more serious note, welcome to our class. My name is Brian Yablon, and it is my pleasure to be your teacher this semester. This is one of my favorite classes. I love teaching English 101. Um, it is about writing and thinking and reading. Um, we, we want you to be taken seriously, and we want you to have people pay attention to what you say and be able to express yourself really, really well. Um, I've been teaching. It's a little bit about me because I certainly want to get to know each of you. Uh, I've been teaching for this is my 31st year. Everything from nursery school through college. I've been teaching college for about 21 years, 22 years, and online. My whole life surrounds really my kids. I have 4 kids. I have 2 girls, 2 boys, and they are just they're wonderful. Despite how often I mess up, they're great kids. Um, and I work. I look forward to Mondays. I'm one of those strange people. It's like I love what I do. And I feel very blessed, very, very, very lucky. Other than that, I'm a total homebody. So being at a stay-at-home orders from the governor and the mayor is not a punishment for me. I'm loving it. It's like it's fine. I'm gardening. I play with my dogs. We're trying to grow some food. Um, my kids are getting stir crazy, but I'm having a grand old time. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you and talking to you online, not only in these video recordings, but on conferences and emails and all that good stuff. So I wanted to say welcome, thank you again, and I look forward to our semester together. Bye.